Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy cultural insights with CultureTrip beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin using CultureTrip for deploying cultural insights, first, visit the CultureTrip website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Explore the various sections available, such as articles, videos, and guides. Identify the cultural insights you want to focus on. Use the search bar to find specific topics or regions of interest. Click on a relevant article or video to gather insight. Pay attention to the data and perspectives presented. Take notes on key themes and findings that resonate with your goals. Consider how these insights can be applied to your project or context. Review the source information for credibility and relevance. Bookmark or save articles for future reference. Engage with the community by reading comments and perspectives shared by others. Share your findings with colleagues or stakeholders. Create a presentation or report summarizing the cultural insights you've gathered. Incorporate visuals and data from CultureTrip where appropriate. Seek feedback from others on your interpretation of the insights. Adjust your approach based on the feedback received. Plan how you will integrate these insights into your work. Publish or present your findings to your audience, highlighting key cultural points. Continuously revisit CultureTrip to stay updated on new cultural insights. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.